This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off your subscriber count on your YouTube channel. I'm going to use Firefox, but it should work very similar on Chrome. What you first need to do is log on to your YouTube channel, and once you've logged on, your icon in the top right corner, you want to click on that, and you want to go down to YouTube Studio. Click on YouTube Studio. And from there, off to the left-hand side, you want to scroll down to where you see Settings. Click on Settings. And from here, you want to select Channel. Select Channel. And then you want to go to Advanced Settings. Then you want to scroll down to where you see Subscriber Count. I have my subscriber count turned off, so the box is not checked. But if you want to display your number of people subscribed to your channel, you check the box, and then you click Save. If you don't want it to make your subscriber count public, you uncheck the box and then click Save. And that's it. That's how you turn on and off your subscriber count on your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.